Hey guys, Eric here with Auto Advantage. Quick walk around video of our 2009 Acura MDX all-wheel drive. So let's get started. 99,000 miles on the car. Got memory presets for your seats. Power lift gate. It's got kind of all the options and features you'd hope. Heated front seats. Dual climate zones, which is very nice, especially if you're married. Might just save your marriage. If you're like me, wife and husband have a different idea what's comfortable for temperatures, so that comes in handy. Sunroof, power seats. Very nice car. The only thing I'll point out is, as you can see, kind of the top of the car is starting to fade. The clear coat's faded. Body's straight. But other than that, that's been priced accordingly, taking into account the faded paint. We do have a shop. We can get it done for you at a wholesale cost, so just let us know. Like I said, 99,000 miles. It's got the 3.7 V6, 300 horsepower, all-wheel drive, 20 mpg on the highway. It's got the tech package, navigation, rearview camera, premium audio, 3-zone climate control, so even the back can have a different temperature than the front. Xenon high-intensity discharge headlights, and 18-inch alloy wheels. Really nice Cooper tires with a lot of tread left on them. I'd say probably 3/4 tread left. I'll show you the inside here. Leather's in really nice shape on this car. This is folding seats, 60/40 split. There's a third row in the back. I'll show you that in a minute. Rear climate controls, rear 12-volt outlet. Again, very nice, no cracks in the dash. Headliner's in nice shape. This is going to be one of the cleaner cars you're going to find in this price range for a all-wheel drive Japanese luxury car. A lot of room in the back. Again, another 12-volt outlet. So these seats, you just grab the handle, pull them up. They do fold flat, so you don't have to worry about removing seats like some of the older SUVs. Got a large storage area under here. The main reason we got this car is because of the really good service history, in addition to low miles. Timing belt was done at 95,000 miles, serpentine belt, oxygen sensor, had 2 transmission services and other services as well. So you can check out the full Carfax on our website, ibuycleancars.com. Call or text 760-280-7648. Take trade-ins, financing's available, and please check out our excellent Yelp reviews from our customers. Thank you.